Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on your phone. So first, if you try to go to your connections and try to click on data users and allow networks for apps, then know that it will work only if you want to disable your preferred app like WhatsApp from using mobile data. So let me tell you the correct way to turn off Wi-Fi. So just go to your WhatsApp and click on the three dots, then click on settings. Here you will see storage and data, and you will see this option proxy. So click on setup proxy. Just type in a random IP like this and click on this little check icon in the right side and enable this use proxy button here at the top. So after you set the different IP in your WhatsApp, you will see that the app is not being connected to the Wi-Fi because we have set a different IP which is not correct. And if I want to send message to somebody, it will show that it's not delivered, not sent. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.